Hello, everyone. Welcome to Module 3, Spreadsheets in our Digital Applications course. This topic is part of Learning Strand 6, Digital Citizenship, and it's about mastering a powerful tool for organizing and analyzing data. By the end of this module, we aim for you to master 5 key skills. You should be able to, first, create and save spreadsheets, whether using templates or starting from a blank file. Second, use formulas and functions effectively for any calculation. Third, format cells correctly for numbers, dates, and currency. Fourth, create and interpret various charts to visualize your data. And finally, finalize and print your spreadsheets professionally. Let's dive into what a spreadsheet actually is. A spreadsheet, often called a worksheet, is fundamentally an arrangement of cells organized into columns and rows. Its purpose is simple yet powerful: to organize, analyze, calculate, and report information, usually numerical data. The most common applications we'll encounter are Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. These tools are essential for managing budgets, calculating grades, tracking inventory, and preparing financial statements. Understanding the spreadsheet interface is key to navigating the software. Let's look at the basic structure. Row. These are the horizontal sections, identified by numbers, 1, 2, 3, etc. Column. These are the vertical sections, identified by letters, A, B, C, etc. Active cell. This is the currently selected cell, which is highlighted with a border, like B2 in our example. All data entry and formulas go into the active cell. The area just above the columns is the formula bar, where you can view or edit the formula or data contained within the active cell. Let's cover the 3 essential actions when working with cells. Selecting. You can select a single cell with a click, or drag your mouse across multiple cells to select a range. For example, the range from A1 to B5. Copy and move. Use standard keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. For moving data, use Ctrl+X to cut, followed by Ctrl+V to paste it in the new location. Autofill. This is a huge time saver. When a cell is active, notice the small square at the bottom right corner. This is the fill handle. Dragging this handle allows you to quickly complete patterns, such as sequences of numbers, dates, or months like Jan, February, Mar. While Excel can recognize a number, formatting is what makes your data look professional and easy to read. When you format a cell, you tell the program how to display the number without changing its underlying value. Key formats include currency. This adds symbols like the peso sign, or $sign, dollar, and ensures 2 decimal places. Percentage. Converts a decimal value like 0.05 into 5%. Date. Changes how a date is displayed, perhaps from a simple number to a readable format like January 1, 2023. You apply these formats through the Home tab ribbon. The ability to calculate is the heart of the spreadsheet, and we do this using formulas and functions. Both must start with an equal sign, equals. Formulas. These are expressions you manually type to calculate values, using basic arithmetic operators like plus, minus, times, asterisk, and divide. For instance, equals A1 plus B2 or equals C5 asterisk 10. Functions. These are predefined formulas already built into the spreadsheet software. They save time and simplify complex calculations. For example, instead of typing equals A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5, you just use the sum function. Equals sum, A1, A5. Here are 5 essential functions that every user should know. Sum. Computes the total of all items in a selected range. Average. Calculates the arithmetic mean of the numbers in the range. Count. Simply counts the number of cells that contain numerical data. Max, min. Finds the highest or lowest value within a set of data. If. This is a powerful conditional function. It checks if a condition is true or false and returns one value if true, and a different value if false. For example, to check for a passing grade, equals if A1 greater than equals 75, pass, fail. When copying formulas, references behave in 2 ways. Relative reference. This is the default. If you copy the formula equals A1 plus B1 down 1 row, the reference automatically adjusts to the new position, becoming equals A2 plus B2. Absolute reference. This locks a specific cell so it does not change when the formula is copied. We achieve this by adding the $sign, dollar, before the column letter and the row number, for example, $1. This is vital when, say, you are calculating a tax for a list of 10 items, but you only have one fixed tax rate in cell E1. By using the absolute reference $E1 in your formula, you can copy it down the column, and the tax rate will remain fixed for every calculation. Charts transform overwhelming data into easily digestible visual information. Here are the 4 most common types. Column chart, used to compare several individual items within a specific range at a point in time. Bar chart, similar to a column chart, but the bars are horizontal. They are particularly useful when your data labels are long. Line chart, ideal for showing trends over time, such as increasing or decreasing sales from month to month. Pie chart, used to show percentages or proportions of a whole, illustrating how different parts contribute to the total. Before sharing or printing, you must finalize the look of your document, especially for printouts, margins and size. In the Page Layout tab, you can adjust the margins, normal, wide, narrow, and select the correct paper size, letter or A4. Orientation. Choose portrait for long, vertical lists, or landscape if your data is very wide, such as a large table or a wide chart. Print preview. This step is crucial. Always use print preview. You can typically access it with Ctrl+P to ensure all your columns and data fit cleanly onto one page before you commit to printing. That concludes our module on spreadsheets. Mastering these basic features gives you a powerful tool for academic and professional life. Thank you for your attention. I'm ready to take any questions you have.